Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Champions League how to stream. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is to stream UEFA Champions League in 2024. Your options vary depending on your location. In the US, Paramount Plus holds the exclusive rights to stream all Champions League matches. Subscription starts at $5.99 per month with a 7-day free trial available. Spanish language coverage is also available on VIX, a more affordable option at $4.99 per month. Take Radar or the streaming level. In the UK, TNT Sports, formerly BT Sport, broadcast every match. You can subscribe via Discovery Plus Premium plan for £30.99 per month. In Canada, DAZN offers complete coverage of the Champions League for Canadian dollar of $29.99 per month. Other regions use services like Stan Sport, Australia, beIN Sports, New Zealand, or local broadcasters for those traveling. VPN services can help bypass regional restrictions. Each of these platforms offers streaming across multiple devices, including smart TVs, phones, and gaming consoles. So that's basically how you can stream the Champions League. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.